How to delete a YouTube short from your channel. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your YouTube application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you're logged in and you land on your home page, navigate to bottom right corner. There you'll find your profile icon that says you. Tap on it. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Here, scroll down a bit and then tap on your videos. Now from this interface under your videos, there is an option as shorts. To tap on shorts button. Then from here you have to choose your short that you would like to delete. And next to that video there is three dots icon, tap on it. After that, this menu bar will pop up in your interface. So from there, tap on delete, then again tap on delete. And after that, the short will get deleted from your channel. So that's how you can delete a YouTube short from your channel. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.